time for me to start cleaning and polishing my bike for tomorrow. I've already taken it for a test run and made sure everything's fine. The only thing I am going to do is I'm going to oil the chain so that it's in good condition for tomorrow. Down here, hang on a second, as you can see, and no, I'm not getting paid for this, I use Penrite Chain Lube Race. It's for on and off road bikes, but it's one of the best lubes that I can recommend to put on your chain. So now I'm going to clean the bike, and then when I do the chain, I'll come back to the video and maybe give you a video. Actually, no, I won't. What I'll do is I'll just explain to you when you're putting this stuff on, make sure that you don't get the brake calipers, brake disc, anything like that, as it can affect your braking. But other than that, spray it on the chain. You can't really overdo it, but you don't need a lot, as it is the best. But yeah, highly recommend Penrite. Okay, so now I'm going to polish the bike and clean up ready for tomorrow. Okay, as you can see, the bike's now shiny, all ready for tomorrow, and that's me for the day. I'm going to sign off. Have a good day, and I'll see you on the ride tomorrow.